Happy New Year, you guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is the first long video of this year, and I promise to post more such long form videos because I've been getting so many comments for posting long form low porosity hair care videos, and I promise I'll be consistent with that. I will not only post shorts, I will also post videos like these. I am going to tell you products that really worked for me in 2025, and I would love to take them in the next year as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. I would also recommend you to take a drink or your water bottle with you because this is a long video. So we're going to start the video with the product that disappointed me the most this year, and that is gonna be, I think, L'Oreal's Glycolic Gloss range, because you need to use the whole range to just like get that glossy look on your hair, and I think that is possible with even a serum. A simple serum would work. This is absolutely unnecessary, and I hated the shampoo as well. I think I also posted a review about this on my channel. If you want to see that, I will link that video down below. I have thrown that bottle. So this is a big no from my side. Coming on to the next product that worked for many people but didn't work for me, it was Bee Body Wise ka hair growth serum, and it worked for many people, doesn't work for me. The serum that worked for me was Wish Care ka hair growth serum concentrate, and this is the proof. Also the brand also sent me 2 of their bottles. बाकी 2 मैंने purchase करी हैं. It is so good. Next time मैं इनका 100 ml वाला ही खरीदने वाली हूँ because वो काफी cost effective पड़ जाता है. Also I'm gonna include some supplements as well that worked very well for my hair, for my skin, everything. So moving on to the next product, it is this leave-in conditioner by Milkshake. I even have a small bottle of this. Yeah. I finished this one and then bought this bigger package. This is 350 ml की bottle, 350 ml की bottle, and this is a 75 ml की bottle. Product I got this for 1250 from Nykaa की Pink Friday sale, and it was very cheap in that. I think 350 ml product for 1250 is such a steal. Next product I did not like at all was Bare Anatomy का Argan Oil and Vitamin E Anti-Frizz Serum. You can see मैंने से ज़्यादा use नहीं किया. This just didn't appeal to me. But L'Oreal का Extraordinary Oil Serum looks something like this. My mom has taken it on a trip. तो मेरे पास अभी वो नहीं है. But that suits me so well. It also heat protects your hair. I think serums or products that are multi-purpose are much better than these products that are like single purpose for frizz or just for one purpose. So I think you should buy products that are like 2-in-1, 3-in-1 because that also saves the cost. Multi-purpose products से मुझे याद आया, my favoritist actually leave-in conditioner, and that is Redken का 25-in-1 United leave-in conditioner, and I have other bottle as well. तुम देख सकते हो इसकी क्या हालत हो रखी है. This is such a good product. I know this is expensive. The MRP is, I guess, 1900 rupees, but so worth the money. और इतनी जल्दी खत्म भी नहीं होता. It heat protects your hair, it conditions your hair, it repairs your hair, improves definition,
ideal cutting lotion, primes hair for styling, reduces breakage, helps preserve color vibrancy. It has literally 25 benefits stated here. You can look. This is such a good
product. You should definitely go for this one. Expensive, but worth the price. Coming on to the next product, which was such a surprise. I got it in a PR from Appetite, and it is their dry shampoo. Also, it is safe for daily use, made with 100% natural starches. It instantly refreshes your hair. True. Oil absorbent. True. Volume and bounce. True. Very, very true. So one day I went to a salon and I saw Appetite ka dry shampoo there, and I was shook when he used that on me because my hair was so bouncy and so fresh. Literally, it does what it states here. फिर अचानक से मुझे एक दिन इसका PR आ गया, and I was so surprised कि भाई मैंने इसे manifest करा था, and I got it. such a good product. You should definitely go for this dry shampoo if you want to. Wishcare का भी एक dry shampoo आया है, but I believe that वो जो sponge है, अगर बार बार आपकी scalp पे लगेगा, it will collect bacteria and it might also like give you some infection on your scalp. I don't know what's the science behind it, but correct me if I'm wrong. Product which I love for like sealing moisture on my ends is this Wishcare का 100% प्योर मोरक्कन आर्गन ऑयल. यू कैन सी क्या पैकेजिंग हो रखी है, बहुत गंदा हाल हो रखा है इसका, बट इट इज सच अ गुड प्रोडक्ट. मैं इसे बहुत कम यूज करती हूँ बिकॉज Wishcare हैज स्टॉप्ड मेकिंग इट. इतना ही बचा है और मैं बस ड्रॉप यूज करती हूँ. सच अ गुड लाइट वेट ऑयल. बस 2 से 3 ड्रॉप इज इनफ एंड जस्ट रब इट बिटवीन द palms and just like my hair is like instantly moisturized. It isn't heavy as well. Like it doesn't make my hair weight down. Such a good lightweight oil. You should, if Wishcare restarts it, I'll definitely tell you because it's such a good oil. The next product was also kind of a surprise because I did not expect much from it, but it is such a banger. It is Plix ka Hibiscus Bond Repair 10-in-1 hair serum with 2% malic acid, fiber enhance, ceramide complex and plant keratin. You can apply this like before washing your hair or after you have washed your hair on wet hair. This is such a good product. It literally heals your hair. It bond repairs your hair. I love this. You should definitely get your hands on this one. The next product we have is a supplement and it is none other than HK Vitals का collagen powder. सबसे पहले तो ये मुझे एक PR में आया था, their lemon flavor I guess, but I hated the flavor, but the product was too good, so I got it in the watermelon flavor and I have finished at least 3 jars of this and it is so good. It makes my hair so healthy, my skin literally flawless. थोड़ा सा मेकअप है अभी obviously. ऑल्सो अगर तुम कोलाजन यूज कर रहे हो और अगर तुम्हें अच्छे रिजल्ट चाहिए तो तुम इसे इंस्टेंटली एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. मैं कोलाजन एटलीस्ट 2-2.5 साल से यूज कर रही हूँ और तब जाके मुझे अच्छे रिजल्ट्स दिखे हैं. पहले मेरे बाल काफी थिन थे एंड दे आर नाउ लशियस. टचवुड. अपनी तारीफ नहीं करते. और अगर तुम्हें हेल्दी हेयर चाहिए ना तो सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट्स काफी नहीं है. लाइक हेयर ग्रोथ सिरम्स और शैम्पूज एंड एवरीथिंग दैट इज नॉट इनफ. यू ऑल्सो नीड गुड फूड. यू ऑल्सो नीड गुड सप्लीमेंट. इतना ज्ञान काफी है. तो नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट पे स्विच करते हैं एंड द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट आई लव इज डव का 10-in-1. उल्टा पकड़ा है मैंने. 10-in-1 इंटेंसिव रिपेयर मास्क. ये मैंने खत्म कर दिया है. दिस इज ओवर एंड बहुत मतलब 1 यूज का शायद बचा होगा and I have ordered the other one. This is such a good product. It moisturizes your hair, it repairs your hair and it does have a little protein. तो मैं इसे ज़्यादा अप्लाई नहीं करती हूँ. It has 8% bioprotein fusion. तो मैं इसे 2 हफ्ते में सिर्फ एक बार यूज करती हूँ but it is so worth it. You should definitely go for this. Also मैंने गलती से ही इसका छोटा वाला पैक तो मैंने ट्रायल के लिए लिया था बट गलती से मैंने इसका छोटा वाला ही पैक नेक्स्ट यूज के लिए भी मंगा लिया है. आप भी ऐसा कर सकते हो कि एक ट्रायल पैक टाइप का मंगा लो फॉर लाइक दिस इज 120 ml एंड आई गॉट दिस फॉर लाइक 160 or 170 रुपीज ड्यूरिंग द सेल. तो इसका जो बड़ा वाला आता है आई गेस 300-400 का आता है एंड इट इज 300 ml ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. तो इतना शायद आप कमिट नहीं कर पाओगे शुरुआत में. तो आई थिंक दिस इज अ गुड बाय इफ यू वांट टू ट्राई अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट. आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड टू यूज वाज एक्चुअली काफी सारे सरप्राइजेस है इस वीडियो में क्योंकि मुझे काफी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स पीआर में आते हैं. तो जब मैं उन्हें यूज करती हूँ आई डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट मच फ्रॉम देम बट बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स ने मुझे सरप्राइज किया है एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ देम. विशकेयर का मल्टी पेप्टाइड एंटी हेयर फॉल शैम्पू. आई लव दिस सो मच कि मैंने इसका दूसरा भी ऑर्डर कर लिया. दिस इज द दूसरा. एक खत्म कर चुकी हूँ मैं. तो दिस इज सच अ गुड शैम्पू. इट रिड्यूसेज योर हेयर फॉल. मुझे लगता था शैम्पूज आर नॉट केपेबल इनफ ऑफ रिड्यूसिंग योर हेयर फॉल और डूइंग एनीथिंग. They just clean your hair but that's not true. This did reduce my hair fall during the rainy season because तब मेरे बालों की वाट लग जाती है. So this has helped me so much. The next shampoo from Wishcare I loved was this AHA BHA anti-dandruff shampoo. Also this is not sponsored at all. ये मैंने PR में receive किया है. It did reduce my dandruff. It also reduced my sister's dandruff. She has psoriasis. Yeah, she has psoriasis on her scalp. This is not a diagnosis for anything but this did work for her personally. So this is such a good product if you have dandruff. And you can see my scalp is squeaky clean. It doesn't have any dandruff just because of this. Winters में मेरी scalp में especially crown area में काफी dandruff हो जाता है. This product works quite well. डैंड्रफ से मुझे याद आया, मैंने इस साल एक और नया प्रोडक्ट ट्राई किया था एंड दिस वाज द ऑर्डिनरी का 7% ग्लाइकोलिक ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड 7% एक्सफोलिएटिंग टोनर। तो ये काफ़ी वायरल चल रहा है बहुत टाइम से, बट मैंने पहली बार यूज़ किया क्योंकि मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा था कि मैं अपनी डैंड्रफ के लिए क्या यूज़ करूँ। विश केयर वाला शैम्पू भी काफ़ी बाद में आया था, इसको खरीदने के बाद आया था एक्चुअली। सो आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस ऑन माई स्कैल्प and this is such a good product. Trust me, if you have heavy dandruff, this will heal that. And अगर जलता है थोड़ा सा भी तो do not use this. अगर हल्की सी stinging feel होती है, it's completely normal. So coming on to the next product I loved this year was L'Oreal का Hyaluronic Pure shampoo. I have used one bottle and I have switched on to the other one. This is such a good clarifying shampoo. I would definitely recommend this to oily scalp people because this clarifies your scalp so well. मुझे बस इसका clarification में ही use होता है. I do not have an oily scalp, so I cannot really advocate like fully for that, but it does work very well when I have like massive buildup from dry shampoo, from serums, or from like many products on my hair. This works like a dream. The next product I loved was Fix My Curls ka SOTC serum. This is a heat protectant. As I said, use products that are like multi-purpose. So this also heals your hair, this repairs your hair, this also works as a heat protectant. I can also apply it on my scalp, like when I am not willing to apply a pre-poo treatment like oiling or any serum. This comes in very handy. This comes in very handy, and it has great ingredients like rice bran oil, sunflower oil, corn oil, and macadamia seed oil, olive oil. Also, the oils are heavy, but this is surprisingly not so heavy and it absorbs easily in my hair. I think this is such a good product when you are not willing to go the extra step or तुम बस lethargic हो, especially in the winters when you don't want to do anything. This is such a good product. It is expensive. 30 ml retails for like 770 rupees, but I got it in a discount for 450 from Myntra, and they have also changed the packaging now. Packaging looks like this. And with this, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you like this video and I hope you like videos like these. And if you want me to make more such videos, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on my channel so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. Also, comment down below which product did you like the most and you will definitely buy it because I have recommended the absolute best products. So that's it for today. Bye bye.